There's another issue we must keep our eyes peeled on. It is the issue of the sale of assets of the state. The government has indicated they intend to sell assets of the state. Are we talking about Republic Bank shares? Are we talking about Angostura, those CLICO assets? Republic Bank shares. The insurance company itself, CLICO. TSTT shares. Are we going to see a fire sale of these assets by the government in their rush to get cash in hand? Cash in hand to run local elections, or, as you may know, this month, the courts will be hearing our election petitions. In this month of June, towards the end of the month, San Fernando West is one of those election petitions, and others. So are they building a treasure chest? A treasure chest, MP Dikoto, to fight you in Moruga Tableland, to fight elsewhere. And so these issues we must keep our eyes on. And if they dispose of these assets, it must be with transparency and accountability. We must not, and we should not, and the country should not have backroom deals to give away TSTT shares, backroom deals for Republic Bank shares. You know, I am doing some research now with some staff, and I am amazed at the interlocking conspiracies and companies and corporations which I will share with you. With each day, I become more and more dismayed as I see the Rowley government putting key hatchet men into place in key institutions and organizations. And they are all interlocked together. It is like trying to unravel the mysteries of the universe. Company after company, corporation after corporation, and the same names are coming up as recurring decimals. I will share them with you in due course. And so tongue has it, rumor in tongue is. They are planning to make deals with respect to Republic Bank shares, to make deals with respect to TSTT shares, to make deals with respect to the CLICO insurance portfolio, and the other state assets that they want to sell. We must be very careful that the PNM is not allowed to engage in any backroom deals with respect to the state assets of Trinidad and Tobago. So that is why today I'm warning you. I'm warning you so that keep your eyes and ears to the ground. And anything you see and hear about these matters, let us know. Because I was told by some workers from TSTT that these workers were told by officials in TSTT that there is some undercurrent and some backroom dealing taking place with respect to the TSTT shares. Let's keep our eyes. Let's keep our eyes out on that. The TSTT, and therefore the communications network of a nation, is one that should never fall into private hands. It is a backbone for preservation of our democracy. And should that fall into private hands, if you think the SSA Amendment Bill and Act is bad, that falling in private man's hand, you know what's happening? Every single email, every single phone conversation, anything, your entire life will have absolutely no privacy, none whatsoever. The communications backbone of a country is vital for the peace, order, and good government of the country. So let us watch what the Rowley government intends to do with the shares of TSTT. These are just some of the projects, and I ask you to join us in keeping an eye in monitoring what is happening with those matters, those state assets. So I